I am Lucifer, and I have finally become powerful enough to challenge God for the highest seat on the throne of heaven. I shall succeed him as the most powerful on high. I call on thee, God, to challenge me, and I will wield my battle sword to victory.
I, God the Almighty Father, the Alpha and the Omega, will banish you, Satan, for defying me into eternal damnation and hell. Now we fight.
To battle! God, the time has come for you to challenge me in the final battle.
No regret! Just regret! The forward! Living die! You can
And now Satan will suffer forever in hell.
Ah! Ah! In the final battle. There's your explosion.